every Philippines ko nga nun, late pa kami kasi na-traffic kami sa Cabanatuan. So, nung andun kami, siyempre, hindi bago pa ako.
Then came a slew of projects for the young actress. The role of Bulinggit opposite her idol, Judy Ann Santos in Cristala. She also played the young Maricel Soriano in Vietnam Road. Catherine's first movie was Gagamboy, where she played the spunky Chokna. Soon, Catherine became a mainstay of the popular comedy show Going Bulungan. Catherine's family saw how passionate she was about acting at a young age and continued to support her no matter what.
Every taping, pupunta kami dito sa Manila. Then, uwi-uwi kami ng Cabanatuan. Ganun ang naging work namin. Talagang sinusuportahan namin siya sa lahat ng ginagawa niya. Nung araw na tinuturuan ko lang siyang matutong bumasa, nagpahanap ako ng comics. Parang sinasabayan ko na lang, ganito, ganyan. Sa dumating ang script, hindi niya kayang basahin ng lahat. Kung paano niya i-act yun. So, babasahin ko muna yung script. Then, habang daan, going to Manila, ninanarate ko sa kanya na ganito, ganyan, hanggang nagiiyakan na kami doon. Tapos yung driver na, nagtitingin na kami ganyan. Sabihin, bakit po? Wala, huwag kang tumingin. Sige, mag-drive ka lang.
Still, it was an uphill struggle for the young girl who dared to dream. Coming up, Catherine gets her biggest break, playing a very familiar role.